here, come here.
What?
Come here.
It's sunny, but the ground is freezing.
Yeah.
The ground is frozen.
Hey, Alex,
What?
do you like winter?
No.
Why you like winter? Or you don't like winter?
I don't like winter.
Why?
Because I'm gonna break my head through the ice. I might trip off my head. Yeah, I know.
Jason, Alex said
Yeah,
he
remember?
don't like winter. No. Alex likes
Yeah,
summer.
Jason?
Jason,
So
do you like
last
winter?
Paw Patrol?
Yeah,
Why you like winter?
reasons.
Reasons is number one. What is the reason?
Reasons.
Yeah. Alex, tell me you like summer. Why you like summer?
I like summer because
Yeah? Guess what?
summer break for school.
Oh, you got a summer break, right?
Yes.
What else? Beach, right?
Yes, beach.
Yeah, you like a beach, huh? Okay. What else? Huh?
It's
Summer
hot.
you can eat ice cream, right?
No, yeah, but and also summer you don't have to wear so much clothes.
Yeah, yes. And the sunshine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What the bad thing for summer? No, bad thing for winter.
Bad thing for winter. It's too snowy. You freaking can freeze to death.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Do you know any?
You can also let's just say you're on a hill.
Yeah.
You could slip and break an ankle or something.
Do you have any song remember for summer?
No.
Huh? Let me remember something like Hawaii, right? The guy in the Hawaii sing what? Somewhere over the rainbow? Oh, right? Can you sing that song?
How do you do it?
Do you remember this song? Can you whistle this song?
I don't want to.
I heard somebody told me you can whistle.
No.
Huh? No? Look like Jason is running. He's like a
He's like a lion.
he's a forest gum.
He's a tiger trying to hunt a little seagull.
Yeah.
Wait, how do I get down here? Stop. Oh, shit.
Okay, here's some glove for you, Alex.
No.
Yeah,
Wait,
the
what?
glove. The hunting glove.
Hunting glove.
Yeah, hunting glove. You see? Yeah?
It's cool. Oh, there's a snowman right there.
Yeah. Hey, Jason, come here. Yeah. Oh, there's snowman. Yeah. Hey, face to me. Hey, say something. You like that, right? Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Is it?
No, over there. I saw it.
I guess.
Yeah. Now, Alex, go perform the winter song for the lumberjack. You like flavor? Yeah. No, 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 no. Hold it. Oh, come on.
You can't stand.
Yeah. That's the winter.
no,
You
I
click
actually-
again. He's no battery. I think it's too cold. See, click again, click again. Yeah.
Oh wait, this guy's ready for hunting. He got a hunting hat.
Yeah. Another song you can sing is what?
What?
You know the egg guy, egg head guy.
No.
Remember that? 雪啊 come on 雪花飘飘
Alright.
Yeah. Let's go get him. Put it in there.
Speakers in there. Go in there. There's notes. Jason, photo incoming.
Oh my god, this guy. Heavy, huh?
My cakes are freezing. What are you doing?
Jason, tell us why winter is good.
Reasons.
Reason is what?
Reasons.
Tell us some reason.
Reason one is reason one.
Okay, hold it for me. Hold for me. We're going to introduce my winter
guess
gear. Look. This brand name is for what? Jason, do you know? Under what?
Under Armour.
Under Armour. This is 800 down fill. And pants as well. Total cost me is $500. I think it's worth it, money. Yeah, overall it's very light, durable, and good looking, right?
It's
Don't turn your
warm.
back. Yeah, it's very warm and light. Yeah, I think it's much better than the Canada
Oi.
Goose. The Canada Goose so expensive, right?
What are you doing?
I'm taking this.
No. What are you doing?
Hey, come right in, Jason. I'm ready. Where you going?
Oh, we gotta break it. Cold. What are you doing? Ice. What are you doing? It's so slippery.
It's icier, so it makes the ground harder.
Jason,
Eh?
how's your hat?
Eh?
How's your hat? Is it good?
Sure.
Alex, how's your hat?
What?
How's your hat? How's your mango hat?
Okay. I gave it a 6 out of 10.
Oh, okay. 6
Because
out
it
of 10.
can't protect here.
Yeah.
Like a hood.
Okay.
Alex, get the other balls. Alex. Alex.
Okay, let's break them.
Oh, let's take them over here. You gotta move them all the way over there.
I got an ice on. Okay, let's go to the tree.
Yeah?
Yeah, see them. Oh, it's one there.
You gotta move it.
You guys move like, there's the insects move the shit. What's that called?
Dog beetle.
Huh?
Dog beetle.
Dog beetle, huh? Hey, dog beetle.
Just look at your eyes on the ground.
That's huge amount of poop.
Bro,
Huh?
Jason, this one is stick to the ground.
Alex, come here. Help me move this one. Move the other one over there, okay?
Okay.
No, like pick it up.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Oh.
Get the smaller one.
It's a big piece of ice.
Get the smaller one.
Oh, not here. I got another one.
Throw one over here.
I got one over here. Oh, that's a big one.
That's it.
Rushing snow.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Alright.